Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Rights of partners in a partnership firm. Contract between the partners, either expressed or in writing or implied by course of dealings, shall determine the mutual rights of the partners. Participation in conduct of business. Generally, partnership is the common business of all the partners. Every partner has a right to take part in the conduct of the business. Exclusion of right. The agreement between the partners may provide for the exclusion of such right in the case of some partners. Defaulting partner. If a partner neglects or refuses to perform his duties and the burden of performing such duties falls on other partners, the defaulting partner has to compensate the other partners. Right to be consulted. Every partner has a right to be consulted in all business related matters of the firm. In exercising the powers, the partner act in good faith. Right of expression. Every partner has a right to express his opinion before the matter to be decided. Resolution by majority. In absence of specific provision in the contract, the following rules apply for resolution of differences in deciding business matters. Ordinary matters. If any difference of opinion arises among the partners in an ordinary matter, it shall be resolved by a majority of partners. Fundamental matter. If the difference of opinion arises on a fundamental matter, it shall be resolved with the unanimous consent of all the partners. Equally divided. If the partners are equally divided, those who prevent the change, there will be no change regarding the important matters of business without the consent of all the partners. However, the agreement between the partners may provide that in all matters majority decision shall prevail. Access to books and documents. The partners have rights of inspection of books of accounts and related information. Place of maintenance of accounts. The books of accounts of the firm are to be kept at the principal place of business. Information and inspection. Every partner or a duly authorized agent of each partner has the right to obtain full information regarding the affairs of the partnership, including all acts, transactions and dealings relating to the partnership funds and partnership property. Examine the books and accounts of the firm and obtain a copy of such books and accounts. Minor partner. A minor partner can also access to and inspect any of the accounts of the firm but not books. Exclusion of rights. However, the agreement between the partners may provide for the exclusion of such rights in respect of some partners. Share profits. Every partner has right to share profit of the business. Share in profit. In absence of specific agreement between the partners, all the partners are entitled to share the profits and also liable to bear the losses of the firm equally. Specific agreement. However, the agreement between the partners may provide otherwise. Interest on advances. A partner is entitled to claim interest on any payment or advance made for the purposes of the business of the firm beyond the amount of capital. Rate of interest. The interest shall be payable at the rate of 6% per annum or at the specified rate agreed in the agreement. Profit. The interest is to be paid irrespective of the fact whether the firm makes a profit or not. Source. Such interest can be paid out of profit as well as out of assets of the firm. Interest on capital. Normally, interest may be paid on capital out of profits only. Rate of interest. The agreement may provide for payment of interest on capital and the applicable rate of interest only out of profits. Specific agreement. However, the agreement may provide that interest on capital shall be paid whether or not the firm earns a profit. Indemnification. A partner has a right to be indemnified by the firm in respect of payments made and liabilities incurred by him. A partner is indemnified when he has acted as a man of ordinary prudence in his own case, acting under similar circumstances for the purposes of protecting the firm from loss in the ordinary and proper conduct of business. Such acts of the partner bind the firm. Use partnership property. Every partner has a right to use the partnership property only for the purpose of business of the firm. Personal use of partnership property. No partner can treat it as his personal property. Restoration of benefit. If a partner uses the property of the firm directly or indirectly for his personal benefit, he must account to the firm for the profits which he may have earned. Specific agreement. However, a partner may use the partnership property for his personal purposes also if the agreement between the partners so provides. Admission of a new partner. The agreement provides for admission of new partners. Unanimous consent. All the partners must give their consent to admission of the new partner. Specific provision. The contract may contain express provision permitting admission of a new partner. Predefined criteria. If the agreement between the partner does not recognize a person as a partner on his admission on the basis of some predefined criteria and consent of other partners, the new partner can be admitted without such consent. Retirement from the firm. A partner has a right to retire. He may retire as per provisions in the agreement. Voluntary retirement. A partner may give a written notice of his intention to retire to all the partners if the partnership is at will and may retire with the consent of all partners. Retirement as per agreement. A partner may retire in accordance with an express agreement entered into between the partners of a particular partnership. Expulsion from partnership. Every partner has a right not to be expelled until his retirement or death. Power to expel a partner. However, a partner may be expelled as per specific power to expel a partner is contained in the agreement between the partners. Such power must be exercised by a majority of partners acting in good faith. Remuneration. Partner is normally not entitled to receive any salary or remuneration for taking part in the conduct of the business. Specific agreement. The agreement between the partners may expressly provide for payment of remuneration to specific working partner. Right to carry on competing business. An outgoing partner has a right to carry on a competing business of the firm. advertise such business. He has the right to advertise such his business. No use of firm name. However, he cannot use the firm's name, cannot represent himself as partner of the firm. Customer of firm. He cannot solicit the customers who were dealing with the firm before he ceased to be a partner. Receive subsequent profits. On non-settlement of account of retiring partner, he has a right to receive remuneration or interest. Unless anything specifically provided in the contract, in case of non-settlement of partner's account after retirement, the following rules apply. Non-settlement of accounts. After retirement of a partner, if the firm continues to carry on business without final settlement of account of the outgoing partner or legal representative of the deceased partner has a right to receive remuneration. Amount of remuneration. He is entitled to receive remuneration of higher of the following two amounts. Interest at the rate of 6% per annum on the money remaining unpaid. Such proportion of profits as have been earned by the firm by use of money remaining unpaid to the retiring partner. Agent of the firm. Every partner is the agent of the firm for the purposes of business. Act an agent. A partner has the right to act on behalf of the firm. Binding on firm. Act of a partner binds the firm. Post-expiry term. If a firm continues to work even after the expiry of its term, the rights of the partner will continue to remain same as before. Additional undertakings. For additional undertakings, rights of the firm will remain same with that of original undertakings. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.